Hey y'all, and welcome back. Today's video is gonna be a little bit different. There is food involved, but nothing I'm cooking. I gotta try some of these recipes, honestly. But we get asked a lot when we go out of town, go on vacation, go to different places. Where's our favorite places to eat, what we enjoy doing, just different things. If you didn't know, we actually have another YouTube channel called Hanging with the Crazy Crew. I'll leave the link down below in the description to that channel, just in case you wanna follow us on some of our adventures and places we like to go and do, whatever. But one of our favorite places to go and eat and do, because there's so much to do there, is downtown FlavorTown in Pigeon Forge. Guy Fieri opened this restaurant about a year ago, and I'm gonna tell you, it's more than just a restaurant. It's an experience, and I wanted to kind of share that with y'all. So this is a little bit different than what I normally do, normally cooking, but some of y'all been asking for like behind the scenes, what do you do? What's going on? Here it is. So hope you enjoyed this video. Hope it's, it's a little something different. The cooking will continue. Don't worry about that. Got a lot of food trailer updates coming up too. So be sure you subscribe to ring the bell notification. Got a lot of things going on this channel and our other channel. So be sure you check that out also. And with that, let's head on over to Pigeon Forge and downtown FlavorTown. Y'all, FlavorTown done us right. Let me show you what they did. They have given us downtown FlavorTown shirts and play cards. And y'all look who's joining us tonight. So far, we got more showing up.
Hello.
Got Adventures at Rock. And there's Our Show, Our Story, because she's over there trying to get about us play cards. We caught you.
Roxy is worn out.
Just out and about. Eric has gone somewhere to shoot something. I don't know.
Donkey
sauce. So basically what donkey sauce is we have some donkey sauce that has butcher them. We drain off the blood. After draining all the blood, we let it ferment for about 1 to 2 weeks. Once it ferments, we start sauteing it with a little bit of garlic, a little bit of red wine. After sauteing, we take all the moisture out, and it becomes like kind of a paste. Once it becomes the paste, we just spread it on our buns, and that's basically what it is.
Now you know what donkey sauce is.
I'm allergic to that as well.
Hey, no, donkey sauce is good.
Just joking. It's just garlicky mayo, okay? So if you guys hear it about garlic aioli, kind of like that, but not garlic aioli.
Hey. Some trash can nachos. Yes, sir. Right there. About them nachos, man. They bussin'. Trash can nachos are bussin'. You hear that, Rock? Trash can nachos are bussin'. They're bussin'.
My plate's empty.
Yep.
That's how good the trash can nachos were.
You didn't eat the jalapeno.
Now, there are a lot of content creators here joining us tonight, and we're going to go around, and links to every one of their channels, Instagrams, whatever they may have will be down in the description down below. Start over here. Y'all introduce who you are.
Jeremy and
Man, I know who you are. They don't.
Nerds on the Go.
Nerds on the go. Jeremy and Stephanie, Nerds on the go. Yep. Glad y'all could join us for supper tonight.
Hey, we're glad you invited us.
Is it supper or dinner? What do we call this here?
I call it supper. It's been supper since I'm a child.
Okay, supper. We'll go with
Dinner
that.
does not exist in my world.
There you go. And I'm kind of standing over her head here. I'm sorry. Hey, how you doing?
Good, how are you?
Doing good. Who are you?
Good. I am Mary with Themepark Vision, and I'm so excited. I've never been with everybody all at once before. It's
a lot of fun, ain't it? A lot
Thank you
of
so
fun.
much for inviting me.
Well, I'm glad you
this
came
is
along.
So awesome.
Glad you came.
Yeah.
And of course, as always, I'm being stalked.
Because you followed me around.
Just out and about. Dawn and Tyler are here. So, dude, I don't even know if y'all need an introduction on my channel now or not.
It's Dawn.
Y'all know us.
Just out and about. Link, as always, down in the description. Who you got with y'all over here?
Ohio
And Mike and Kara, you might have seen them in our Kings Island vlog, but they are our Ohio chapter, just out and about.
Oh, the Ohio chapter. Oh, we're going by states
We're going
now.
by state now.
We are bougie.
expanding.
Oh,
Expanding.
wow.
Expanding.
I need to look into that.
Yeah.
Hey, Eric. And it's my family over here. And look, there's Sandy. But where is Rock? Where's Rock?
Where is Rob? There he is.
Hey, Rock.
Hey, family.
Y'all know this group too. Just out and about is over there. Now we have Adventures at Rock over here at this table.
Yeah.
And then right on the other side of them is Our Show, Our Story.
Hey guys.
How y'all doing tonight?
We are doing fantastic. It's the first time we've ever been here.
And this is their first time here, y'all.
Ever.
Well, it will not be your last, right?
No, absolutely not.
And I haven't even eaten yet. I already
Well,
love
we
the
had some
place.
nachos. We did have a few nachos.
What did you think of the nachos? I have to know.
They were great with the jalapeno.
Okay. We have
First and foremost, I have not drank anything.
Okay, we're going to take a poll. Everybody's in this poll. We're going to turn this around again. Now, what do you call it?
Jalapeno.
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 Me either. That is new. Jalapeno. What's a jalapeno?
It's a hot pepper. It's jalapeno. Look, we do food reviews. We don't
What is it?
Jalapeno.
Say it again.
Jalapeno.
I love the way he says it. There you go, right there. Perfect. Perfect. Now you know how. Right, this man right here has got it. Yep. See, I got some coconut shrimp.
Coconut shrimp.
I didn't see the
They
trash
hit
can
that
nachos
menu.
come out.
Yeah. You
That
missed
looks
it.
really good. I know I missed it. That looks really good though. Man, these trash can nachos are so good. Look at that stack of just goodness right there. Y'all look at these Brussels sprouts with that bacon on it. Man, them look good. And then we got some mini tacos right here. Man, all these appetizers, I'll tell you what. Hey, what you got?
Queso and corn dip.
Queso and corn dip. That looks really good.
That's look good.
Is it good?
Yeah.
Is it bussin'?
Bussy.
Bussin'.
Bussy bussy.
Now, what kind of fries are these?
just got here.
Eric, what kind of fries are them?
What do we got here?
Dragon's breath.
This is
Dragon bread.
Queso and
cheese, okay.
corn dip.
Yeah, queso and corn dip.
So what kind of fries do we have here?
These are the Vegas fries.
Vegas fries.
Buffalo sauce plus house made wasabi dipping sauce.
Oh,
And it's got a kick.
does
It's
it?
got a kick. Like, I'm not a spicy
good kick?
person. Like, if you like spiciness, that's for you. That kicks me, like, my ears are
I can
hot.
smell it.
Yeah, it has a kick.
I can smell that.
It's like a...
Did you try the Brussels? How were they?
Delicious.
Hey, Jeremy. Would you want to try that?
What about the nachos?
The nachos are delicious as well.
I hear ya. Okay, what we got? The Motley Crew.
This is the Motley Crew pulled pork.
That looks amazing.
Yes.
Question is, can your mouth fit around that?
100%.
Okay. Nashville hot chicken waffle, y'all.
That thing looks
Is that
amazing.
the cheesy cube
Wow.
or the real cheese?
I don't know what to say about that, but wow. Are you gonna eat all this? You're gonna try.
We'll try. I think it's a
And there's some old school steak right there. Oh, that looks really, oh, it smells even better. I can smell that. Y'all, I have made this burger before. That is the OG Ringer burger right there, baby.
You made that? Was
I
it
have
that-
made
was it
that.
that
No. I couldn't find an onion ring like that.
Oh.
That thing is huge.
That's half an
But
onion.
man, it was so good. All right, here we go. We're going in.
Oh, wait a minute. I missed this. What is this?
This is
The Motley Crew.
the Motley Crew.
Motley Crew.
Motley Crew. Yeah.
Okay.
So we're gonna see if this. I got a big old mouth.
Okay, let's see if it works.
That mouth works.
This is
mouth
not
works.
awkward at all.
No pressure. I mean, yeah. No pressure.
We're ready.
First, like and subscribe. Get more videos like this.
Here we go.
Oh, he did it.
Oh, wow.
Oh.
They got 2 thumbs up. Tyler got the.
Nobody cares about mine.
What'd you get, Tyler? It's the Cajun Alfredo, right? Cajun chicken Alfredo.
This stuff banging.
I care about you, Tyler.
This stuff banging.
Is it banging? Y'all check out my barbecue chopped cheese salad. Yep. And got some chili cheese fries right there on a waffle. There is the Kobe burger with some fries. That looks good. What's left of it?
It's chicken avocado flatbread with no tomatoes.
It's actually really, really good.
It looks really
You
good.
can have a piece if you want.
That's all right. How is it, seriously? Really good? Awesome.
Going back already?
Don, what do you have?
Oh, I've got the half a rack of ribs. So full rack would have been huge.
That looks good.
Texas toast and macaroni and cheese.
Mac and cheese on
Yep.
Texas toast?
Yeah, I didn't know it would come like that. It's like,
Do it again.
That mac and cheese. That you didn't get.
Hey, that's a thumbnail.
it is not. You
It's gonna
better
be.
not.
That looks really good.
You better.
Y'all look at this macaroni and cheese burger, but it's a turkey burger, right?
Turkey burger.
Wow, that is amazing. Look at the mac and cheese just falling off of it. Not when you're trying to get in your food or anything.
I
we
love
know.
mac and cheese though.
Do you?
Like I got it just because of
That
mac
looks
and cheese.
amazing.
Mac and
That
cheese
really
burger.
does.
Waffle. To me, it's my favorite waffle that they have here. The spaghetti you don't see right now because they bake it inside the waffle. You got 3 meatballs, you got the tomato sauce, you got the cheese, you got a lot of deliciousness on a plate right here.
So apparently, when you get your belly full, you just sit around and talk on and look on cell phones.
TikTok,
Oh, TikTok? Is that what we're doing? TikToking?
Facebook reeling,
Okay.
Instagram.
Posting stories. Working on videos. Yep. So that's kind of what content creators do behind the scenes. Look like we're just over here socializing or whatever on Facebook. No, they're working. Ain't that right, Don? You're working.
Yes, working.
Give y'all a quick look around this restaurant. This place is amazing. Are you having a good time?
You know I'm having a
You
good
know,
time.
this is so funny, right?
I love it.
Let's go do some bowling.
Let's go do it.
Let's go do. Come on.
I'm gonna whoop you though.
No, ain't happening. Now we had that delicious meal on them apps. It is time to do some duck pin bowling. Are you ready to try some duck pin bowling?
go.
Have you ever done this?
No, I ain't never.
You man, just all out of first tonight. He's never went duck pin bowling.
Me neither.
What?
Oh, see?
What?
Me neither, Frank.
Wow, really?
Wait, what is it?
That is duck pin bowling.
Like so, it's just like this. It's just a
Smaller ball and you throw it. It's
baby
a lot
So
of
don't
fun.
put all my like back.
No, don't do that. Hey Tyler, that ain't how you do it.
Right down the middle.
Right down the middle it went.
Straight over there.
That didn't work. That didn't work.
No.
Let's see what Bryce has got. Ooh, look at you. We doing this.
Never played before to double league.
Well, the dessert has come out. I want you to look at this right here. Not really even sure what that is right there, but it sure does look good. That's a triple mint chocolate ice cream. Here's a cheesecake challenge. Wow, this looks good. Bryson, how you beating everybody, dude?
I'm good.
You're winning right now, dude. You are the man. All right, so what are you trying?
I'm trying one of the cheesecakes.
How is it?
It has chocolate drizzle. It's really good.
Chocolate. I love
Watch
cheesecake.
this.
So now we've done a lot of duck pin bowling. Don't really know who the winner was. We just having too much fun just playing. Now we gotta go do some arcade games. Y'all look at this. You think games are for kids? Now, I know you can go to Vegas and win big, but when you come to Pigeon Forge, look what you done went and done here.
You
Look
know,
at you.
gotta bring home
That
the
that is so perfect on you.
for my babies. Thank you. Thank you.
Yes, that jewelry looked good on you.
Thank you.
What all you got?
Got a little Mario character here, then we racked up on some of the tickets there.
I see that.
We're on a winning streak right now.
Wait a minute, they ain't got it. Yes, she does.
I got two.
Got to.
I tried.
It's okay. It's okay. You can steal his. What's really cool about FlavorTown is they have their own tiki bar right here. And a pretty cool place to sit out here and enjoy your beverage and your meal. And as you can see, the bar is well stocked. Dang near anything you could want, they have right here. Y'all check this out. They even have a gift shop here. All kind of great merch in here. Right in downtown FlavorTown. Hoodies over there. But I have to say, some of the sauce over here, I actually have some of it at home, and it is so good. I actually have that brown sugar right there. Highly recommend that brown sugar sauce. But I may have to pick up another jar before I leave today. But yeah, a lot of downtown FlavorTown merch here. With all the fun we're having, you've got to get over here and check out this 68 Camaro. Yes, you recognize that from Triple D. A guy has actually sat in this car right here. Downtown FlavorTown, we only got one thing we want to tell you. Thank you, Mike. Great service tonight. Well, that's going to wrap it up for our time tonight with all these great, amazing friends here at downtown FlavorTown, including Dawn. I'll call Dawn my friend. Hey, friend. Yep. Did y'all have fun?
I had a great time.
No,
Great time.
I lost.
Lost what?
Poland.
Because you ain't no good. That's why.
Kara won.
Yep.
I won, he lost.
I don't care if he lost. I had a great time. About y'all?
I had a great time. Thank you, Downtown FlavorTown. Love y'all.
Yes, we do love y'all. And we will be back, won't we all?
I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. We had a good time.
There goes Rock skipping. Look. Rock's so happy he's skipping.
FlavorTown.
So anyhow, we got to go because they're closing down. Hope you enjoyed it. All the links to all these great channels will be down below in the description. Be sure to check them out. One more time, Downtown FlavorTown, thank you. It was awesome. We enjoyed it. We'll see you next time.